Alright, good morning everyone. Today, me, Muhammad Arsyad, will show you a main dish on Banjarese. So, what I want to show you is chicken porridge. So, there are many types of chicken porridge in Indonesia, but I want to choose my location, Banjarmasin, variation of porridge. So different from Jakarta or Bandung chicken porridge, usually Banjar porridge is different, while Bandung porridge, chicken porridge, usually use chicken broth, while the Jakarta chicken porridge usually use cakwe and some nuts. But different from other chicken porridge, Banjarese porridge doesn't use any of that, just pure porridge. And usually when you buy a porridge, you get the topping. So the topping of the chicken porridge usually consists of, the first one is a boiled egg. This one. It's to make a chicken porridge more flavorful and more flavor. So with other than topping of boiled egg, usually get a shredded chicken. Yeah, this one, a shredded chicken. So to make it more like chicken flavor, because the name of the porridge is chicken porridge. And on top of that, usually people use onion, but this is more of people wanting or not. Sometimes people want the onion, sometimes they don't. They can request it. And on top of that, the more special thing when you eat chicken porridge is kerupuk. So without kerupuk, sometimes people, when they eat a chicken porridge, they felt unflavorful. Sometimes it's just not right. And that is the topping of the chicken porridge. Sometimes people use the toppings, sometimes they don't. And for fun fact, usually the boiled egg is shredded too. Being cut to small pieces. Usually people easy to consume. So that's all the difference to other chicken porridge to my favorite chicken porridge in Banjar. And that is all. This is the porridge, this is the topping, and this is the kerupuk. Thank you.